Experience Ghana's epic Independence Day food festivals. Must-try dishes including kenkey, akple, WAAKYE and beans or Gълбе. Hello foodies! In this video, we will be taking you to Ghana to experience the epic Independence Day food festivals. Ghanaians commemorate Independence Day on the 6th of March every year, and these festivals have become a significant part of the celebration. Festivals showcasing Ghanaian native cuisine were conducted throughout the long weekend of the Independence Day celebration to attract tourists and promote tourism through food festivals. With the rise of food tourism, gastronomic events have emerged around the world, promoting local public participation, domestic consumption, and tourism. Food festivals offer a unique opportunity for tourists to experience authentic local cuisine, and they are becoming increasingly popular attractions. Ghanaian culinary art has become a unique part of the Ghanaian identity. The kenkey, beans or Gълбе, akple, and WAAKYE festivals are some of the food festivals celebrated in Accra, Ghana. These festivals are a significant part of the Independence Day celebrations in Ghana and attract people from all over the country. The 6th edition of the Kenkey Festival was held on March 4, 2023 at Mantse Agbona, Jamestown, Accra. The Gълбе Festival was also organized at Tetteh Quarshie Interchange, Accra, and the WAAKYE Summit at Mmofra Place, Dzorwulu. Also on 6th March, the Akple Festival was held at the same venue. These festivals witnessed a great turnout, with influential personalities attending and promoting them. Kenkey is a popular dish in Ghana that is made from fermented corn dough. The festival lasted the entire day, and during this time, you can taste various versions of kenkey with fish, prawns, chofi, pear, and the like, made by different vendors. You can also witness several leisure activities such as painting sessions, game competitions, live bands, karaoke, and other cultural activities. Also, you witness the live preparation of kenkey during the early hours of the event. Akple Festival. Akple is a traditional dish in Ghana that is made from cornmeal and or cassava dough with various side dishes. The open-air festival began in the late morning of 6th March at Mmofra Place, Dzorwulu, with tourists flocking in to enjoy the versions of akple made by different vendors. Around 30 vendors, dressed in their brand uniforms, attended the event and offered various local foods, such as akple with different accompaniments, such as abobitadi, fetri, and ademe, which look to be the festival's favorites. You will also see a variety of performances that will brighten the mood of the tourists throughout the event. You could even have a chance to learn how to make akple yourself if you are a fast learner. WAAKYE Festival. Traditionally packed or served in plantain leaves, WAAKYE is another popular dish in Ghana that is made from rice and beans, which are also known as peas or cowpeas. WAAKYE is served nicely with shito or stew, gari, beef, egg, fish, or fried plantain, depending on your preference. Many of the favorite local WAAKYE joint vendors were in attendance during the event. During the Independence Day weekend, the WAAKYE Festival was held in Mmofra Place, Dzorwulu, an Accra suburb. The festival usually lasts a day. During this time, you can taste various versions of WAAKYE made by different famous vendors. The event was lightened up with music and entertaining performances. Beans or Gълбе Festival, possibly the most satiating dish, gari and beans with fried plantain, widely known as red bread due to the palm oil used in cooking. Gълбе or Yoke gari is sold on most Ghanaian streets. Gълбе is a staple food in Ghana, and the Beans Festival celebrates the humble ingredients. The Gълбе Festival was also organized at the Tetteh Quarshie Interchange, Accra. During the Independence Day weekend, there was a lot of fun and merrymaking during this time. You could taste various versions of beans made by different well-known vendors and individuals. Apart from the taste and flavor of the cuisines, the packaging and hygiene of the food played an important role in attracting tourists. Vendors offered the kenkey in earthenware bowls at the Kenkey Festival, representing true Ghanaian culinary traditions. Vendors during the Gълбе and WAAKYE festivals presented their cuisine on ecologically friendly green leaves, which contributed to the reduction in plastic waste pollution. Moreover, these festivals also offer an opportunity to promote local drinks like asana, sobolo, and palm wine, among others, contributing to the consumption of locally made beverages. The cultural significance of cuisines does not only include the ingredients and the method of cooking, but also how they are served and eaten. In conclusion, food festivals play a significant role in promoting local cuisines, tourism, and economy. They offer a unique opportunity for tourists to experience authentic local cuisine, learn about the culture and history of the destination, and connect with the local community. That's it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video on Kenkey, Gølbε, Akple, and WAAKYE festivals in Ghana. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channels for more exciting content. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.